guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany here, back with another video for you guys. So in today's video I am going to be talking about how I style my hair to achieve these curls here. So if you are interested in that, in a hair tutorial, not really a hair tutorial, but if you're interested in how I achieve my curls and get my curls so defined, then keep watching. Of course, the first thing is hair care. I wash my hair one time a week, and I wash and deep condition it on Sundays, and I'll also deep condition on Wednesday. So I deep condition twice a week and I wash my hair once a week. I wash my hair, I didn't grab those things, but I wash my hair with the Ren Pure coconut something. I'll put a picture of it over here somewhere. I use the Ren Pure coconut something. It's sulfate free, paraben free, all that good stuff. And I really get it in my roots, because that's where I focus on, because that's where I get the most buildup and stuff, is in my roots. And then I don't want to strip my ends of my hair of like the natural oils and things, so I focus on the roots, and then once I rinse it, I let the soap, you know, run through and cleanse the rest of the hair. So don't really put soap down here, I just cleanse my roots. After that, I will, you know, deep condition. I also have a Ren Pure deep conditioning mask. I'll put a picture of that up here as well. And then after that, I will just regularly condition, and I use the Aussie deep moisture conditioner. I like to finger detangle in the shower, just, you know, detangle the curls in the shower. And then once I get out of the shower, I like to take a little bit more of the Aussie deep moisture. Is that what I said? The Aussie conditioner. I like to take a little bit more of the Aussie conditioner, and I like to put a little bit of that in my hair, and then I go through, and this isn't a Denman brush. I know everybody loves the Denman brush, and I really want to get one, but this is what's been working for me at the moment. It is a little bit dirty, but it is just a brush from Walmart. It's a Goody brush. I feel like it's a Denman dupe, and I'm not sure if it works as good as the Denman brush. I've never tried it, but this is what I use. So brush my hair, detangle my hair with this, and then I will wrap my hair up in a bun and sleep on it. In the mornings, when I'm like doing my hair for the first time, I will wet it, or if I get in the shower again, I will just condition it and then get out and detangle it again. You saw that water? Detangle again, or I will use water. This is just the old Healthy Sexy hair bottle. There's nothing but water in here, and I will spritz my hair and get it wet. After that, I have a few curl creams that I like. I like this Eden Body Works natural curl defining cream. This stuff works really good, and it smells really good, and it is very thick, so a little bit does go a long way. And I will section my hair. I section it, let's see, in like 3 sections. So bottom, middle, and then top. And at the top, I'll usually split here, make a part here, and then do these. So then I'll put a little bit of, you know, whatever curl cream I use. So this is a favorite of mine, which is the Coconut Shea Natural Curl Defining Cream. It's define curls. It says is a humidity resistant formulation designed to refine and separate curls and waves. This product infuses moisture to strengthen hair, provides frizz control, and optimizes style definition. So like this stuff. The only thing with it is this does have alcohol in it. So I really don't use this one as much, but yes, it does have alcohol in it. I try to stay away from stuff like that, but I also stay away from stuff, because it's all over the place. I stay away from stuff that has mineral oil and things like that in it as well. After I put, well, here's another curl. I just started using this. I don't really like the smell, but I mean, this is what I used on my hair this time around. And guys, this is day 2 hair. So I slept on this last night, and I feel like for sleeping on it, it looks pretty good. I mean, I am a little frizzy up here, but as far as like the curl, like look. So I've been using this. I got this. This is $2.99. I got mine at Burlington. So I always like, I don't know about you guys, but every time I go into like Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or anything like that, I'm always looking in the cosmetics and the hair stuff, and that's like my favorite part of the store. So this is the Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coils Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. And it says it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. It says, say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless coils. Define, shape, and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. So this is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La, and it was $2.99 at Burlington. So clearly it works good. I love it. So now that I've got my curl creams, I will put that section in, and then I will brush down after it's detangled, and then I'll shake it. So brush down, shake them out, and then scrunch them up. Once I am done with that, I like to go in. I just started using this too, and I feel like it works very good. I didn't put it in my hair this past time, but when I used it the first time, it did work really good. And this is also Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flax Recipe Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So again, sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum. It says flaxseed rich in omega fatty acids, promotes healthy hair from the inside out, and it helps to prevent dryness and flaking. Aunt Jackie's moisturizing flaxseed recipe adds nourishment to hair while giving bounce and stretch to withering curls, twists, and coils. So this again was $2.99. See there, $2.99 at Burlington. So I'll put this in my hair as well after I do the curl cream. Do what I did: brush, shake, and scrunch. After that, I take a diffuser on low heat, no or low heat, and I will diffuse my curls. Sometimes I let them air dry, sometimes I don't. So I'll diffuse them, and then once they're dry, that's that. For my edges, I like to go in with, this is my favorite Eco Styler gel. This one's my favorite. So this is the argan oil one. So alcohol-free gel. This is what I use for my edges. And I also use a toothbrush. So I go with my toothbrush, and I go on with my Eco Styler gel, and I just pull my little baby hairs down and swoop them whichever ways I want them swooped. And that's what I use for those. If I'm doing a pony, or if I just want to like do a quick like little swoop with my, I would go in with my paddle. I don't even know what this is. My little, I call it a soft brush. So I'll go in with my soft brush. So I got this one from Walmart as well. And I'll just, you know, swoop it up in a big ponytail or whatever. If I am wearing my hair down, after I diffuse my hair, I go in with a oil just to give my hair some shine and to break the curls apart if I want more volume. So this is really oily, like the label is coming off, but this is from the brand Urban Hydration, and it is growth and hair repair oil. So it says essential oils and vitamin A and E, promotes growth, strengthens hair, tames frizz, and adds shine. So this is honey, argan oil, sweet vanilla bean extract. So I really like this. I've been using it. You can see, I should probably just take this off, but put the back on there. It says on here, especially good for all hair types, and then it says type 2, type 3, and type 4 hair. So if you have those, this is good. I did get this at TJ Maxx, so they have a good selection of stuff at TJ Maxx and stuff. So that is what I use on my hair. I could probably use a little hair oil now. Just put a little bit on there. And that's what I do. I scrunch it in there, give them curls just a little more shine. I just scrunch that. This side could use a little more definition, so I'll just go in there with that hair oil and whatever. And yeah, that is what I do to my hair. These are the brushes that I use. These are the products that I use. Aunt Jackie's, Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, and this Eden Body Works. This is the products that I use in my hair. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like always, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below on products that you guys use, or maybe some recommendations for me on products that you use in your natural hair. And if you guys like me and you like my content, subscribe and keep coming back. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys for watching once again. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.